In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "You have been logged out" error in WhatsApp. If you're seeing this message, it usually means WhatsApp has detected a problem with your session and has logged you out for security reasons. This can happen after an update, if you've switched devices, or if there's been unusual activity on your account. The goal of this video is to guide you toward the right information so you can get back into your account safely. First, open your browser on your phone or your computer, whichever you're more comfortable using. In the search bar at the top, type in "How to fix you have been logged out in WhatsApp you have been logged out." Make sure you type it clearly, or copy and paste it if you're watching this on a device where that's easier. Once you've entered the text, press enter or tap the search button. You'll now see a Google search results page with multiple links related to this exact issue. What we're looking for is an official or reliable guide that explains why you were logged out and what steps you can take to fix it. Usually, results near the top of the page will include help articles, tutorials, and sometimes videos that walk through different solutions. Take a moment to scan the titles and look for results that clearly mention fixing the "You have been logged out" message in WhatsApp. It's a good idea to prioritize official sources like WhatsApp's Help Center or well-known tech support sites because they tend to be accurate and up-to-date. Go ahead and click on the result that looks the most trustworthy and straightforward. When the page opens, read through the instructions carefully. Many guides will explain common causes like outdated app versions, problems with your phone number verification, or issues with using the same account on multiple devices. Follow the steps provided there one by one, and avoid skipping ahead, especially when it involves security checks or verifying your phone number. As you work through the guide you've opened, remember not to share personal details like verification codes or passwords with anyone. All fixes should be done directly in the app or on official websites, never through random messages or unknown links. By searching this phrase and opening a reliable guide, you are putting yourself in the best position to understand why WhatsApp logged you out and how to restore access safely.